Now what will be our learning checklist? That means at the end of these lessons we learn how to apply the rules of divisibility of 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 and 10 and derive the test of divisibility by 6, 12, 15, 18 etc. And also we learn how to derive the test of divisibility using co-prime factor rule, and also we learn prime factorization and also how to find HCF and LCM by prime factorization method. Okay children, by the end of this lesson you should be able to do all these that are mentioned in this learning checklist. Now starting with the first topic for today, factor. For starting the lesson, it is important for us to understand what actually is a factor and what is a multiple. A number p is said to be a factor of another number q if it divides q exactly. For example, 2 is a factor of 12, but 3 is not a factor of 10 as it does not divide it equally. Now what are they saying? You know how to divide, right children? Suppose I am saying taking 12 and 3. Yes, let us see if 12 can divide 3. If 3 can divide 12, we know that 3 fours are 12 and the remainder becomes what? The remainder is 0. So whenever we say that the remainder is 0, it means that the number here, the divisor, is dividing the dividend exactly or completely. There is nothing left. So there is 0 left. Yes, 0 is our remainder. So in that cases, we will say that the number here divides the given number exactly. Now 3 becomes a factor of 12. 3 becomes a factor of what? 3 becomes a factor of 12. How children? Because 3 is dividing 12 exactly. Or in simple ways, how you can understand is that when you say 3 fours are 12, okay, when you say 3 fours are 12, both 3 and 4 become your factors. What do 3 and 4 become? 3 and 4 become your factors. When I ask you to write the factors of 12, you must check in all the tables and see where does 12 come. First, in one table we have 1 12s are 12. In 2 table we have 2 6s are 12. In 3 table we have 3 4s are 12. Yes or no children? Again in 4 table 4 3s are 12. We have 6 2s are 12 and 12 1s are 12. Yes. So these numbers become our factors. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So whenever you divide 12 with any of these numbers, the remainder will be 0. Yes, whenever you divide 12 with any of these numbers, the remainder will be 0. So that these numbers become the factors of our number 12. Understood children? So these numbers become our factor. Okay, you can say here also below also we are having numbers, right? But these are the same numbers. See, 2 is already repeated. Yes, 3 is repeated, 4 is repeated, 6, 12, all are repeated. So we do not take repeated numbers. Yes or no? Suppose if somebody asks you what is your favorite fruit, you will not say apple, apple, apple. Yes, you will say it only once. Yes, in the same way, we will not repeat our factors here. We are only writing them once. What are the factors for 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Clear with the concept of factors children? A number p is said to be a factor of another number q if it divides q exactly. What does it mean divides exactly? The remainder should be 0. See, 2 is a factor of 12, but 3 is not a factor of 10. Let us see. 10 divided by 3. Yes, we have 3 3s are 9, and when we subtract 1 will be remaining. So is our remainder 0 here? No. The remainder is not equal to 0. So what can we